5 signs your air ducts need cleaning. Best duct cleaning New Orleans. Big Easy Environmental. If any of these 5 things sound familiar, your air ducts are probably overdue for a cleaning. Sign 1. Dust appears on your surfaces shortly after you clean. If you're wiping furniture and it's dusty again within a day or two, your ducts are distributing more than air. Sign 2. Musty or stale odors coming from your vents. In New Orleans, this is often a mold warning. Don't ignore it. Sign 3. You or someone in your home has been sneezing more, dealing with congestion, or noticing allergy symptoms that aren't going away. Your ducts may be circulating pet dander, pollen, or mold spores. Sign 4. Some rooms in your home are noticeably warmer or cooler than others. Uneven airflow is often a duct problem. Sign 5. You can't remember the last time your ducts were cleaned, or you've never had them cleaned since moving in. Big Easy Environmental serves homeowners across New Orleans with professional duct cleaning built for this specific climate. One customer said, "They were very professional, in and out so quickly, affordable and very thorough. I give them 5 big stars and would recommend them to anyone." Licensed and trusted in New Orleans for over 28 years. Call 504-636-6700 or visit 𝗬𝗲𝗲𝗱𝗀𝗋𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 cleaning included.